In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find any document or any file on your computer with ease. So sometimes you want to find a file or a document, but you can't find it because you can't remember specifically where you stored it or you saved it. Now, there is one app or there is one tool that you can use to find anything on our computer by just entering in the name of the file or the document that you are looking for. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to any browser and then search for everything. Just like that. And as you can see, we have the website here. Go ahead and open it. And this is the file that we are going to download and install on our computer. As you can see, it is a free to use file that you can just download and use for your Windows computer. So I'll go ahead and download it. And now it is downloaded. Then go ahead and install it. So once you install it, you will find a shortcut here. And now we can also pin it to taskbar. And as you can see, it is here. So for instance, I want to go ahead and find a file of a movie that I have on my computer, but I can't really figure out where it is. All I need to do is to tap on it and then go ahead and search the folder or any file by its name. So I'll just go ahead and write the name. And in real time, you can see it went ahead and looked for the movie. Here it is. And from here, you can go ahead, copy the movie or play it or even move it wherever you want. And also this tool will help you to know the path or the specific place where it is. And as you can see, this movie is on the desktop under the folder called Big. And then we have under that folder, we have another folder called Movies. And then if I open Movies, that's where I'll get this movie. And indeed, if I go to that file, it is Big. And then Movies. And again, Movies. And now I can see it is here. So anything you so wish, anything you want to find on your computer, you can easily find it using this Everything app. And one good thing is it searches in real time anything and everything on your computer. It doesn't delay, it doesn't take time. And this app, you don't need to be connected to the internet for you to use it. You can search for files and documents on your computer even when you are offline. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.